Let's find the hidden toy in surprise eggs. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Bicycle. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Car. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Slide. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Rocking horse. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Dinosaur. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Train. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Tricycle. Let's see what surprise it has for us. Teddy bear.